Ano yung Spider-Man? Spider-Man!
Right. Hey, that is one gorgeous bed.
Yeah, it's okay.
Spider-Man!
You know, when I get to bed, next thing you know, I do that kind of thing.
This is mine. You're an old one. That suits you. You're an old, grumpy kind of dog.
Oh, wow.
Your friendly neighborhood.
Hey, I
Kaka.
got summer too. But we gotta learn to get along. Wait, what do you? I bet we can both fit in this bed if we really try.
Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 Spider-Man.
Duke is just ruining our life.
Spider-Man.
It's an emergency. Get rid of this dog. He stole my
Spider-Man.
Baby.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Sabi mo, I'm Spider-Man.
Nanay.
Sabi mo, I'm Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man.
Nanay.
Tapos mo. Hindi ko na nakita sa camera.
Hello.
Hello, Spider-Man.
I need this place. And if
Yeah.
it's gonna come down to
Hello,
you,
Spider-Man.
Hello, Nanay.
Paano ang aso?
Ow.
Paano ang pusa?
No.
Paano ang kambing?
Ma.
Galit ka ba?
Di.
Hindi. Paano ang baka? Oh, ang galing ah. Paano ang palaka?
Ma.
Kokak.
Tita.
Kokak. Ang palaka, kokak.
Tita.
Ilan to?
Two.
Ito.
Eight.
Ilan to?
Two.
Ang galing oh. Ito ilan?
Three.
1,
1,
2.
2, 8, 9. Oh.
Oh, ang galing ah.
Molly,
Sabi mo, hello Mama G.
Molly, I got a bad situation.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Pounds.
I
She said
love
he's
you.
my brother. I want a brother. And I don't have a bed now. I'm sleeping on the floor like a dog.